Alright, hi, this is Dylan again. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Tuesday, 7th of October in the morning, 10 a.m. So today we're going to look through a few currency pairs. Firstly, let us look at the pound against the US dollar. Right. So what we see over here is a 4-hourly chart. We can see the price has a rebounded from a low at the price of 1.5951. Right. A very quick recap is that this is a weekly chart. Alright, let me just remove all the lines first. Alright, you can see that a price has already broken below the 200 moving averages. Okay, the 200 moving averages has been a strong resistance back then, broke above and came down to become a very strong support, but then it broke down again, and therefore we are looking at price to fall even further. Now back to the 4-hourly chart itself, we can see that the retracement has it seemed to have completed a little bit prematurely in a way, and with a Fibonacci retracement. Alright, from the top to the bottom, we can see the price is currently registered at the retracement level of 23.6%, as well as a previous support level. Alright, what I mean is this is the previous support, and right now it has turned into a resistance level as well. So if price were to fall from the retracement level of 23.6%, I am expecting a pretty rapid fall in a way, and therefore if trade setup is available here, we can actually look for a short opportunity. Alright, stochastic is almost touching the overbought zone as well. So that is all for the pound against the US dollar. Now we shall look at the New Zealand against the US dollar. We can see that price has previously reached a low back in 2013 July, and it has rebounded off as a retracement. Now this is the 4-hourly chart. We can see the price has been resisted by the 55 moving averages. Alright, over here, all this area, and right now it has came back again and touches the 55 moving averages and got resisted. So therefore again, this might be a time to go for a short opportunity. The retracement might have just ended. It might be a very short-lived retracement. So then again, if setup is available, we can go for the short opportunity. And not forget to mention that in the 1-hourly chart, we can see the price has been resisted at the 200 moving averages as well. So this is what is happening right now. Again, price has gotten resisted at 200 moving averages and is about to fall. Alright, so this is another trading opportunity to shorts. This is Aussie against the US dollar in H4 charts, pretty similar to the New Zealand against the US dollar. Alright, looking at the week 1 chart, we can see the price has reached a bottom, a previous low at 0.8671 back in January this year itself. So price rebounded as a retracement. Then right now it got resisted at the 55 moving averages, previously resisted as well in the beginning of October. That's just about a week ago. Probably we can look at the 1-hourly chart. Resisted at 200 moving averages as well. We can see the price is beginning to fall. So then again, this might be a good chance to shorts, but again, because the Reserve Bank of Australia is about to release their monetary policy statement, so the rate statement, and of course the cash rates, so it wouldn't be that wiseful to enter a trade right now, or rather we shall go for a news trading, alright, to see if we can capture the trend. And this is the dollar yen, the dollar against the yen for our weekly chart. So again, price has reached a high of 110 sentiment price as well, so price has fall as a retracement, and before even touching the support level of 108.45, it seems that price is a little bit kind of exhausted and beginning to rebound. However, there isn't really a trade setup over here, I would say. And at the same time, Japan, or rather the Bank of Japan, is about to release their monetary policy statement, so we shall have a look at that before we make any decision on the dollar against the yen. Alright, and finally we can look at the euro against the US dollar. Again, price has reached a new low, touching the price of 1.2500. And he has rebounded, got resisted at the 55 moving averages. Again, it's a pretty strong resistance for the euro against dollar in the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, over here as well, over here as well, but sometimes it does break above a little bit before it came down. So right now it is being resisted again at the 55 moving averages. And going to 1-hourly chart itself, we can see that price is being resisted at the 200 moving averages in the 1-hourly chart, and it seems that the 200 moving averages in the 1-hour chart is pretty strong when it comes to euro against the US dollar. So the current situation is that it has been resisted, and it can be seen falling already with a proper setup about 2 to 3 hours back, and therefore this is, I would say, a proper and available trade to shorts. Stochastic has already reached the overbought zone, crossed downwards, and it's already beginning to fall. So we might just want to wait for the 4-hour charts, wait for the candle to form, for the confirmation to form before we enter the trade again. Alright, so that is for euro against the US dollar. Yep, that's pretty much for today. There is many trade opportunities for today itself, but just make sure to manage your risk, make sure it doesn't go beyond your maximum risk exposure. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.